How to resize row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can resize your row height or column width in different ways. Now let's get started. The first one is to use the mouse. If you need to know your row height, just click on that row, and then when you hover your mouse at the end and click there, and you can see your row height. Okay, and if you drag it, you can resize your row height. Now if you want to know your column width, go to that column, select it, and hover your mouse at the corner and then click it. You can see your column width, and if you drag it, you can resize it. This is the first one. Now you can see here in row 1, it's higher than usual. Okay, all the row has same size except this one. Now if you want to go back to the default size, select that row and hover your mouse at the end of your row and double click there. You can see row height has been adjusted. Now for column to adjust with double click, you need to write something inside it. So this is the text, and now if I want to adjust the column width, hover your mouse at the edge of your column and double click. You can see it has been resized.